So I wanted to show you this really cool gift that someone in my family got that I thought was really, really neat. It is a star projector, and the cool thing about it is it's rechargeable, and you can also pick between different slides. So you can have like a moon or the Milky Way or the Earth and moon, and it's really hard to tell during the day. I'll stick a picture in here of what it looks like at night. At night, it's insanely impressive. Your entire ceiling turns into like the Milky Way galaxy, and it looks absolutely beautiful. But another really great thing about this is it has a timer on it. So if you want to have it turned on while you're falling asleep, you don't have to leave it running all night. It can shut off in like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes, and you can set that right on the device. It's super easy. You can also do kind of rotation, so it looks like the Milky Way galaxy is actually moving around your room. It's just a really cool idea. It's really peaceful to have your room glowing with these stars on your ceiling, and it makes a wonderful, wonderful gift, especially for kids. This one is in a teenager's room right now, and they love it. So this is something that my family uses and that we love and that we would definitely recommend.